So for all of these types of machining system, we developed models and algorithms to optimal design of this system. And the idea of this decision system is inspired a bit from lean manufacturing, usually associated with manual assembly line. What is lean manufacturing steps for lean process design in manual assembly line? First step, take time calculation, cycle time calculation. Second step, definition of task or operation. Then choice of process plan, choice of layout, line balancing, assignment of task to workstations in an optimal way, and at the end, equipment selection. So task time calculation, take time calculation. Take time is equal to operating time divided by customer demand. Operating time shifts effective time. Take time imposes the cadence of fabrication needed to meet customer demand. And effective time include also breakdowns, maintenance, and so on. Definition of task with added value, and crucial step, a critical step, is assembly line balancing. What is assembly line balancing? Here we have 3 workstations. This is a load of 4 workstations. Operations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.